Yo, what is happening, guys? So I want to give you 5 YouTube channel ideas that you could execute on going into the end of 2025, 2026. These are really good niches. Some of them are quite untapped, and there's lots of potential to get a lot of views in these particular channels. So I want to share these with you today. Okay, so the first one that I have for you today is this one called JRE Replay. Okay, as you can see, it's all monetized, and you can probably guess it's all about Joe Rogan content. Okay, so we can take a look at one of these videos just to see, and you can see
which coach are you most thankful for this year? Send them a heartfelt thank you with Cat.
In this clip.
Okay, so you can see that there's Joe Rogan clips, and he compiles them together with like B-roll footage in the background, and he covers the latest interviews of Joe Rogan, and he adds those graphics in the background to get around the copyright aspect of these types of videos. And as you can see, he's just gotten started. He's just got 2.65k subscribers. So how you would compile this, okay, is you would get the Joe Rogan clips, you would get the B-roll footage. You can use websites like Pexels and Pixabay to get B-roll footage. Okay, you can use Google Images to get B-roll footage, and you'll compile these together in a video, and you'll upload that onto your channel, and that should be fine with the copyright. As you can see, he is able to do it. And when this channel got started, we can see here August 27th 2025, he just uploaded 20 videos, and he has almost 3,000 subscribers and 1.1 million views, which is really good. And you can see there that it is monetized. So if you go ahead and look at his popular videos, you can see 547k views 2 weeks ago, 170k 2 weeks ago, 146k 2 weeks ago. So the potential to go viral is very high with this particular channel. And as you can see, this type of channel isn't a search-based channel, but this type of channel is a browse-based channel. So you will have keywords in there like famous people, like Charlie Sheen, and he's on Burnout, Drugs, Wildest Days. Okay, so you'll use the popularity of that particular person to get pushed out into the algorithm so more people can see it. And you can see 500,000 views on one specific video, which should have earned him a lot of money if he was ads monetized in that time period. So you can see he has a lot of videos that are okay. He has 4 videos over 100,000 views, 500,000 views. So this is something you can do. It's not difficult. And if you want to learn more about how you can upload these copyright free, I may make a guide for you in order to upload these videos without getting any copyright claims, but you should be good to go, because with the YouTube copyright match tool, it does tell you with these specific types of videos if it is going to run into a problem with copyright. Okay, so that is a channel, and the views he's getting. Okay, we can just close that. We can hop on over to Social Blade, and we can type in his channel name. So it's JRE Replay, and we can see what types of views he's getting right now. He is monetized, so he's getting 1 million views per month. Okay, and he's averaging like 1 upload per day, which is not a lot of work. You can outsource this very cheaply for like $10 to $15 per video. Okay, and he's getting like on average 1 million views a month, so that's easily 5 to 8k in AdSense revenue that is able to make. The next channel I have on the list is going to be very popular now as crypto starts to gain more and more momentum. Cryptocurrencies, where you just do daily updates on whatever's happening in the crypto space. So you can see this channel called MoneyZG. It's got 748,000 subscribers, 1.1k videos, a bit of an established channel, but you can see it does build up to get some good numbers. So 797 isn't that impressive, but this is a high RPM niche. So if you get 1 million views in a niche like this with a $8 to $10 RPM, that's easily $8,000 to $10,000 per month just in the AdSense revenue, not counting any sort of sponsorships or anything that this channel making, only uploading about a video every single day. So if you go to the videos and take a look at one of them, you can do this completely faceless. I actually did this myself, and it did get pushed out into the algorithm with my test. So that was good. I just need to work on the retention of these particular videos. And why make it harder on you? Take a look at how one of these videos is structured. So you can see he just has the camera in the bottom. You can just take that out and do a voiceover. And then he has the crypto charts. And he's able to update his audience on what's happening in the crypto market. So this video an hour ago already has 2,000 views, which is really good. And the nice thing about these sorts of videos is that they get pushed out to the subscribers. The subscribers are highly interested in this particular content, and then they click, and then you get easy views in the beginning, which boosts you in the algorithm as they like and comment on the video. Then it gets pushed out to the wider audience. So you can see this is very basic, something similar to what I'm doing now with a camera and a screen recording, and that's pretty basic. So I can pause that, and he's just doing like one video per day. Got a good thumbnail, and he's got 2.2k, 1.4k, 18k. So the majority of them will get 1 to 2k views, and then you'll get 20k and 18k, and this is high RPM. And that's going to pay off quite nicely. And then if we go ahead and look at one of his videos, in the description he should have affiliate links. So he's doing affiliate marketing on top of this to boost his earnings maybe to $25,000 every single month. So he's got Biofin VIP bonus, there's a link. Trade on Kraken, there's a link. MoneyZG crypto, okay, he has a course. You can develop a course, a faceless course if you want to, and put that into your description, and that must earn him easily $10,000 per month with his current audience. So this is a good channel, and I thought I'd bring that to you. The next one I have on the list is gaming channel. Okay, in this case it is wrestling. So he's taking this game. Let's just go over the views right quick. You can see all these channels are monetized. JRE replays monetized, MoneyZG's monetized, and this one's also monetized with 254k views per month. So it's not the most amount of views, but this is a gaming channel which has the potential to get millions, like 1 to 3 million views every single month. You can see he's uploading a video every single day, staying consistent, and this will eventually scale to 500,000 views a month, 1 million, 2 million, and so on. So if we go ahead and go into the videos, this is a no commentary video, so there's no sort of voiceover or anything, so you could even do this yourself if you're into gaming. So you can see 2 hours ago 126. okay, so you can see he's just playing the game. We can open up one of these videos, and he's just playing the game with no sort of commentary. Let me put the sound on.
Punishment these two are willing to put themselves through just to settle the
So there's no sort of voiceover or commentary in these videos, which is great. So anybody can do this. You just need to record yourself playing the game, and you can get quite far. You can not only do one channel, but you can do football, you can do wrestling, you can do golf, you can do all the sports games, have a separate channel for each game, and eventually get to 1 million views or 2 million, 3 million views per month that way. And that's great. Okay, that's the gaming channel. So that's something to think about maybe doing. So the next channel I have is another gaming channel, and this is more like a kids type of channel, but it gets a lot of views. It says I can't check there, but I'm pretty sure that this channel would be monetized. It's getting 1.44 million views a month, so easily with an RPM of $2. Let's see, 1.44. 1.44 divided by 1,000 times $2 RPM, like $3,000 per month for this gaming channel, which is not bad. And this is more aimed towards kids. It's GTA 5, but you can see it's all these kids thumbnails, and it's aimed towards kids. The videos do go viral. If I go to the popular, you can see 5 months ago 2.7 million views, 1.6 million 9 months ago, 1.5 million 6 months ago, and his oldest video is 9 months ago. So this has built up to 185,000 subscribers and $3,000 per month in a 9-month period, which is really good. So you can see if I click on one of these videos,
if something happened to you, would your family be okay financially? With Momentum Life Returns, our advanced discount model.
And you can see that these are the types of videos that work for his audience, mainly a younger audience that will be watching this type of GTA 5 gaming video. So that's something you can do. He just uploaded this, 2,000 views, almost 1,000 likes. People like this stuff, and this is great. Let me see if I have another channel. Yes, I have one more channel to show you guys, and that is a reaction channel where you react to popular news that is going on right now. You can see this would have a $5 to $6 RPM. Okay, so if he's getting 1.63 million views a month divided by 1,000, let's just go with a $5 RPM. That's $8,000 to $10,000 every single month. And this is what you need to do with this channel. It's a little bit of a it's a little bit more complicated because you need to know and have some knowledge about these particular topics, but you can always learn about this stuff as you go along. So let's go to their popular videos. 5.5 million, 633k. So these get views. The oldest video is 3 years ago or 2 years ago. But basically this channel started a year ago, already got 204,000 subscribers, and he's been uploading quite a lot. So if you go into one of these videos, it's just like
Dana Bash gets bashed so bad here, it's not even funny. I don't even know why Dana Bash tried to attack Speaker Johnson, like this, but it just shows that she's just so like, she just hasn't learned her lesson.
And that's what you have to do, earning him easily $10,000 per month if he's doing some merch or a course, not a course, but some affiliate products in the description. So that's 5 YouTube automation channels that you could potentially get into. If you have any questions relating to any one of these 5 YouTube automation channels, drop your comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, that's really appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video.